Everybody, this is Mike with Free Roaming Hiker, and in this video I'm discussing the best time to hike the Teton Crest Trail in order to maximize your experience with the wildflowers and avoid also some dangerous patches of snow. I do have more information up on freeroaminghiker.com, so you can always check out the links in the description to get more info on that. And then if you do like this video, be sure to like and subscribe it so you can get informed of lots more content coming up. So the Teton Crest Trail is one of the most stunning hikes in the greater Yellowstone ecosystem and perhaps even the country. But you do have a relatively small window to catch its best features at their peak, namely wildflowers. If you try too early, you'll likely need crampons for some snow crossings, and some of them can be a little sketchy. If you hike it too late, too many of the wildflowers will have already wilted away. So, how do you know when the best time to catch it all perfectly will be? Well, there's really two answers. One is the general rule of thumb, which assumes it's a normal winter season out here. In that case, early to mid-August would be the ideal time to hike the Teton Crest Trail. Given an average snow season, this is when most of the snow will melt from the trail, while also giving the wildflowers enough time to bloom on open spaces like the Death Canyon Shelf. But that's the key, an average snow season. The last several years especially have been a bit erratic, so it's become a little trickier to get the timing right. As a backup, it's always best to check with the backcountry rangers at the Grand Teton National Park Visitor Center, which is the second answer. They have backcountry rangers constantly hiking all the trails, so they're always up to date on when the wildflower peak will be. So if you're getting your permits just before doing the trail, or if you're planning on doing it without a permit, which by the way is the subject of another video as well as a link in the description, be sure to check with the rangers to see what the snowpack and or the wildflower situation is. However, if you're buying your permit way before your arrival or anticipated start date, still early to mid-August is typically the safest bet. So I hope that answers your questions on when the best time to hike the Teton Crest Trail is. Remember to check out those links in the description if you want a little bit more information about the hike itself or how to do it without permits legally. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any other questions at all, just feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And thank you for watching and happy trails.